It's a 2023 Ford Explorer, aptly named, handsomely appointed. When people talk about the beautiful scenery, they'll be talking about this Explorer too. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, automatic transmission, voice-activated climate controls, smart device remote engine start, AM/FM satellite radio, active grille shutters, four-wheel drive, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.